Hi friends, our homeo doctor did not get sleep. So naturally what will he do? He got up and started walking to and fro in the room. That is, the word used is paced. Here it is. Paced up and down. Means walked slowly. When you are doing some serious thinking, you pace up and down. Means you walk very slowly up and down. Lovely thought struck me. A lovely thought, a beautiful thought came to my mind. What is that lovely thought? Getting married, yes. And valid. Valid means correct. A valid reason, a right reason, a correct reason. That's it. Valid currency, that means correct currency. Approved. That's the meaning. Valid currency means. Valid reason means the correct reason. You can remain absent from the class if there is a valid reason. Means a correct reason or a right reason. Resumed my seat means he went back to his seat. That is resumed means. He again went back to his chair. That is resumed his seat means. A dull thud. This is the sound. Not a thud. Thud means so that a very as if hose filled with water, suppose forced down. Then you will hear a sound, that kind of a sound. This thud. And even so, even though, even if, that is, wriggled over. Wriggling means worms wriggle. You must have seen doing like this now. This is wriggling. Sorry. Worms, they do it now. So, snakes, they don't wriggle, they creep. Isn't it? Actually, that is creeping. Then simultaneous means same time. Simultaneous. The teacher's entry in the classroom and my entry in the classroom as a student, that is simultaneous. So means same time we both entered the class. I entered the class, the same time the teacher entered the simultaneous, same time. That's the meaning. Now the simple version of what we are going to do today. He got up, the doctor, he lit a beedi for time pass and walked slowly, paced up and down. He thought of marrying a fat lady doctor. It's not any lady doctor, but a fat lady doctor, plenty of money and also good medical practice. That means she should have a number of patients also. Patients coming to her. That is big medical practice means. He thought a fat lady would be medical practice. He thought a fat lady would not be able to run after him and catch him. That is the reason. Suppose something goes wrong and he runs, then the fat lady, very difficult to move, So he thought that if there is such a lady, then she won't be coming after me and she won't be able to catch me. What a wonderful idea, isn't it? What a wonderful idea, isn't it? Fat lady. Then he turned around and looked. Instead of a fat lady, he saw a fat snake creeping over the back of the chair. It landed on his shoulder. His looking and the snake's landing happened at the same time, simultaneous. His looking and the snake here landing same time. So this is what happened. So today's highlight is the doctor planning to get married. And second thing is that he stood face to face with the cobra, a fat cobra, a full-blooded cobra. So these are the two main points today. So I will read the text for you. I got up, lit a beedi and paced up and down the room. This way and that way. Then another lovely thought struck me. A very beautiful thought came to my mind. What is that? I would marry. Good thought. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. So she should have 3 qualities, 4 qualities, so to say. She should be a doctor, she should have plenty of money, she should have good medical practice, and she should be fat, very fat. Money in a way, because you can lead a life of luxury. Medical practice, you will get more money. She had to be fat for a valid reason. For a valid reason. That is the 4th point. She should be fat also. And that is for a valid reason. Valid, I told you, right reason, the correct reason. If I made some silly mistakes and needed to run away, suppose I make some mistake and I run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. So I should be always on the safe side. I should get money. There should be plenty of money coming in through medical practice. A lady doctor and a fat lady. Fat lady, why? Because suppose something happens and I run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch hold of me. That should not happen. That's the thing. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat. I went back to my seat in the chair in front of the table. Oh, this is a good idea, isn't it? Very good idea, very lovely thought, very beautiful thought. There were no more sounds from above. I was hearing sounds, but no sound. There was silence. Suddenly, there came a dull thud. Told you, not a clapping sound. Something is falling like this, a dull thud. As if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. Why nothing to worry about? It's a familiar sounds. There is a somewhat good traffic of rats along the beams and also the gable of the house. So why should I bother? Even so, even then, I thought I would turn around and take a look. Nothing is there. Every day I am hearing the sound. I thought, no, what is it? Don't worry. But still, even so, still, I turned around. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over, crept over, crept back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. See, no sooner than Miss Asanas. Just I looked, the fat snake crept over the chair, back of the chair, and landed here. Landed here. The snake's landing and on me and my training were simultaneous. The snake's landing and my training simultaneous. Same time. So now they are face to face. Encounter means meeting. So the doctors encounter with the snake. Now what is going to happen? We will see tomorrow. Till then, bye. Questions? You have got 7 and 8. What kind of a woman does the doctor want to marry? The doctor wants to marry a lady doctor, then with plenty of money, good medical practice, and also fat. Why? Because if he runs away, she should not run after him and catch him. What happened when the doctor was sitting on his chair? When the doctor was sitting on the chair, he had a sound like a sound, a touch sound. As he turned to look at it, he saw a fat snake creeping and landing on his shoulder. Creeping and So back of the chair and landing on his shoulder. That's what happened. So we have answered the questions also. I think it's very clear to you. Therefore, why will we meet again?